Hi, it's Mark here. Thought I'd do a quick video on inspecting a house when you first get to it on the viewing. So first thing we do is have a look 50 yards down the road and then have a look 50 yards up the road. And the reason we do that is so we can check to see if there's a bargain booze or an off license or something a bit weird on the street. Now this one hasn't, so I've been up that way and I've been down that way. And it's a normal residential street. There's no power stations, there's nothing else around. Now the next thing I'm going to do when I've got there, now there's nothing unusual at the house or in the street, I'm going to start from across the road. So I'm looking from across the road and I'm starting at the top of the house. So I'm starting at the top and I'm looking to see if we've got straight lines across the ridge, down the side of the roof, across the gutter. And I'm just looking to see any flashing that might be off on the chimney breast, any mortar that might be out on the chimney breast. Then the top windows, look at the top windows, see have we got any blown panes or any leaks or any drip looking stuff on the top of the house at the top windows. Then come down, look between the windows, all the slate, are the slates all there, is the flashing all there? And then the bottom windows. So look at the bottom windows, looking at the front door, what do I have to do to the front door? What do I have to do to the side windows? Do I have to do anything to that? And then the overall look, the curbside appeal of the house. So this one is one of Keenan Steele's and he's just had it, he's nearly finished, he's on the refurb, he's nearly finished. So then we look at the boundary, and look at the boundary here. This is probably the most expensive white picket fence ever built, but he's actually put a border or a boundary on the property. And a property needs a boundary or a border to make it look real and well, just to make it look how you expect it to look. Now inside the front is turf's been laid, that's pretty good as well. So that's the outside done. We're looking for jobs in there. Now this one's for sale, that's his for sale board just up there. And so that's the outside inspection done.